Hi students, welcome back. Let's continue our classes on subject, verb, object and other patterns. Our next pattern is SVDOIO pattern. What is SVDOIO pattern? It is subject plus verb plus direct object plus indirect object. When we see the examples, you will be able to understand. Let us go through these examples. Subject, verb, direct object and indirect object. Subject and verb you know. Then direct object. What is direct object? If we ask question to the object what, who or whom, then we will get the answer, right? So what did he give or I give? A pen. What did he bought? A sari. What did he sell? His cycle. What did he leave? Or means they granted leave. What did they leave? Means grant the leave. Leave for 2 days or 3 days like that. What did they present? They presented a car. Now, to whom? The question to whom, that is indirect object. To whom did I give? To him. To whom did he buy a sari? For his wife. Like that, other examples also will do. So these are the things. Please go through the examples and understand the pattern SVDOIO pattern. Indirect, that is direct object, indirect object pattern. Next, let us study SVIODO pattern. What is SVIODO pattern? It is subject, verb, indirect object and last direct object pattern. That is called the SVIODO pattern. Let's see the examples. These are the examples of SVIODO pattern. Indirect object and direct object. I gave him a pen. Whom did I give? Him. To whom? Answer to whom is him. So that is the indirect object coming first. And last, what did he give or what did I give? A pen. So like that the question to whom means it is indirect object. So it is coming now in these sentences, in this pattern, indirect object is coming first and direct object is coming last or later or second. He bought his wife a sari. The meaning is that he means to whom did he give? To his wife or for his wife. So then his wife is the indirect object and direct object is a sari. What did he give? A sari. So the question, the answer to what, that is the direct object, and the question to whom, that is the answer to whom, that is the indirect object. So in this pattern, the indirect object is coming first and the direct object is coming after the indirect object. That is called SVIODO pattern. Hope you have understood. And now let's do some more examples. Thank you and have a nice day.